Good morning. Hello everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, in the last class we have completed our chapter as the most important day, and also we have discussed the question answers as section A, then we have discussed section B, C, D, yes, and children, in the last class we have learned articles. Yes. So children, how many articles are there in English language? Yes, there are 3 articles. Yes, in English language. So what are they, children? Yes, the, a and an. Yes. So these articles categorized in 2 types based on their usage: definite article and indefinite article. Yes. So children, the comes in the list of definite article, and a and n comes in the list of indefinite articles. Yes. So children, before moving to the next part, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. So children, we have learned that n is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Yes, n is used. N is used before a word beginning with a consonant, beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an eye, an umbrella, an important meeting. So children, a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Yes, a and n is used before a vowel beginning with a vowel sound, and a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a table, a uniform, a clever girl. Yes. So children, here we have to note that a and n are used before a singular noun. Yes, we have to note that a and n are used before a singular noun. तो बच्चों, हमें यहाँ पे यहाँ पे गौर करना है. यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, a और n हम कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ ही हम क्या करते हैं, a और n हम यूज़ करते हैं. Yes, note that a and n are used before a singular nouns. Okay, तो हम a और n कब यूज़ करते हैं? सिंगुलर, बिफोर सिंगुलर नाउन्स हम क्या करते हैं, ए और एन यूज़ करते हैं. सो वी यूज़ एन यूज बिफोर अ वर्ड बिगिनिंग विद अ वॉवल साउंड, एंड वी यूज़ एस यूज बिफोर अ वर्ड बिगिनिंग विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. सो चिल्ड्रन, इन इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स देयर आर 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants. Okay, so children, so the is called the definite article. Yes, we use the to refer to someone or something mentioned earlier. Yes. So children, this is about article. Yes. So children, there are 3 articles: a, n, and the. A and n comes in a indefinite article, and the comes in a definite article. Okay. So children, in today's class we are going to discuss countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So countable means what? जिसे हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, और अनकाउंटेबल मीन्स जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. अभी अब मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आपके सर पे बाल कितने हैं, काउंट करके बताओ. यस, दिस इज अनकाउंटेबल, इजंट इट? सो ऐसे ही. ओके, सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कम टू द पेज नंबर 36. Okay, so today we are going to learn about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So you have learned that nouns can be singular or plural. Yes, in our classes we have already learned that noun can be singular or plural, like girl, girls, boy, boys. Yes, 2 eyes, 10 toes. Yes, so children, you have already learned that noun can be singular or plural. Yes. So children, see here, nouns that can be counted with numbers. Nouns that can be counted with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called countable nouns. Yes, जिन चीज़ों को हम 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? काउंटेबल नाउन्स बोलते हैं. ओके, सो नाउन्स can be counted with numbers like 1, 2 और 3 are called countable nouns, जिसे हम easily हम count कर सकते हैं. Okay, so like that we cannot count some nouns in numbers. Yes, ऐसे कुछ नाउन्स हैं जिन्हें हम क्या करते हैं, नंबर्स में हम नहीं काउंट कर सकते। यस, ऐसे कुछ नाउन्स हैं जिन्हें हम क्या करते हैं, नंबर्स में हम क्या करते हैं, नहीं काउंट कर सकते। यस, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स। ओके, so we cannot count some nouns in numbers. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. So children, countable nouns में जिसे हम count कर सकते हैं numbers में, like 1 2 3 4. और uncountable means what? Uncountable nouns can be we cannot count some nouns in numbers. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. For example, 2 waters. ऐसे हम बोलते हैं no, we should not use like 2 waters, 10 rices. No, this is wrong. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, 2 glasses of water. Here children, look at this picture. Here you can see this is right. Yes. So this is right. We should not say like 2 waters. हमें ऐसे नहीं बोलना है yes कि 2 waters दे दो, क्या हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, no. Yes, we say 2 glasses of water. So this is right. 10 rices means what? Yes, so हम क्या बोलते हैं, 10 bags of rice. Yes, so children, here come to the section C. Circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. So here children, what we have to do? Yes, here they have given some nouns like beauty, then idea, air, shops, horse, milk, money, yes, houses, dolls, knowledge. So these are some nouns. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, या what we have to do children here, we have to circle the countable nouns and we have to underline the uncountable nouns. So as we all know that, yes children, that nouns that can be counted with numbers like 1 2 3 4 are called countable nouns, and we cannot count some nouns in number, so such nouns are called uncountable nouns. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so here children, see, circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. So here children, beauty, tell me, beauty is countable noun or uncountable noun in number? Yes, we should not, we can't say like beauty 1, beauty 2, beauty 3. No. Yes, we can't count it in our numbers like 1, 2, 3. No. Yes, so uncountable nouns, if there is, means we have to underline. Yes, so underline beauty, because we cannot count beauty in numbers. Yes, so children, nouns that can be, we cannot count some nouns in numbers. Yes, such nouns are called अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. तो हम ब्यूटी को हम क्या ऐसे बोलते हैं 1 2 3, हम इसमें ऐसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते. यस, वी कैन नॉट काउंट ब्यूटी इन नंबर, सो ब्यूटी इज ए अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो आइडिया इज ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. यस, बिकॉज वी कांट काउंट आइडिया इन नंबर. नो, 1 idea, 2 idea, 3 idea. No, we cannot. Then air also uncountable noun. So children, air, we can count air in numbers? No, we cannot count it. We cannot count some nouns. Yes, so air is also we cannot count like 1 air, 2 air, 3 air, 4 air. No, we cannot. Yes, so children, now shops. So shops, children, we can count. Yes, so children, shops, we can count shops in number like 1 2 3. Yes, so children, we can count shops in numbers. Horse also we can count 1 horse, 2 horse, 3 horse, 4 horse. Yes, so children, like shops also we can count in numbers. Yes, like that horses also we can count in numbers like 1 2 3. Yes, so these are countable nouns. Yes, so children, now milk we cannot count in number like 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, 4 milk. Yes, we cannot count milk on numbers. Yes, so milk is uncountable nouns. Yes children, so here children, 1 money, 2 money, 3 money. No, we cannot count money in numbers. We can count money in rupai. Yes, 1 rupai, 2 rupees, 2 rupees. Yes, so money is also not countable. Yes, in numbers like 1 money, 2 money, 3 money. We can't say like this. Yes, so Now houses. Yes, we can count houses in numbers like 1 house, 2 house, 3 house. Yes, so like that. So now dolls. Dolls also, yes, countable noun like 1 doll, 2 doll, 3 doll, 5 doll. So children, like that. Knowledge is also uncountable noun because we cannot count knowledge in numbers. Yes, with numbers like 1, 2, 3. Yes, so children, nouns that can be counted with numbers like 1, 2 or 3 are called countable nouns, and we cannot count some nouns in numbers such as beauty, idea, milk, money, air, knowledge. Yes, so these are called uncountable nouns. So children, the next gender of nouns we will learn in our next class. So children, what we have learned today? We have learned countable and uncountable nouns. So in the next class we will learn gender of nouns. Okay, so children, till then stay home, stay safe. The next we will continue in our next class. Okay, bye bye.